What's up YouTube, Milma here with another Xcode tutorial. This tutorial is a follow on from my image view tutorials, and if you haven't seen them then the first one can be found here. In this tutorial I will be doing another image animation tutorial, and in my last image animation tutorial I kind of lied by saying there was only two different ways of animating images. There are in fact loads, and I have found that out since the tutorial, so stay tuned for all of those tutorials that should be coming up. So this is the first of many, and as you can see this is our project from before, but this time it's changed, and basically as I click the button the image will move down the screen by 5 pixels. So that's what I'm going to be creating in this tutorial. So without further ado, let's open up our image view tutorial project, and there you go. And before I do anything I'm going to drag my resource in, which is this lily picture here that I got off Google, and just drag that into the resources. Don't need to copy, add, and added it in the wrong thing there. Add, there you go. And here's our image in Xcode. Now I can make it bigger, and we don't need any outlets or anything for this. We can use the actions we already have. So just go straight into the .m, and we don't need the viewDidLoad method, so we can green that out by putting a slash asterisk at the start, and at the end of it put an asterisk slash at the end. That's just so we don't delete the code, but Xcode won't read it, so it won't be used in the thing. So if we go up here to our IB action that we have before, and we basically delete everything inside it. I know that will seem like bad and everything, but honestly that's all what we need to do. So delete everything inside it, and to make the image move we basically need one line of code. That's it, guys. And what we're going to do, we're going to find the image's center, and then we're going to use CG point make to move the center 5 pixels down on the Y axis. So without further ado we'll start typing. So get our image, and then we'll go dot center space equals space CG point make, and it should auto complete. Then type in image.center.x, and we don't need to do anything for that because we're not moving it on the x-axis. And then we're going to go image.center.y, and now we need to go +5, and that will make it move 5 pixels on the y-axis, and the y-axis is down the page, or down the view. So there you go, guys. That's all the code we need to do just to make it move. So basically all that's doing is going, when I have this action hide image, then I will find the image's center, find its change its point using this method here, and add 5 to the y-axis. So now we should open up our image view controller.nib, and now we need to change the image to our image that we've dragged in. So that's going to be images, there you go, and command equals it to make it nice size, and we're going to move this to the top of the screen because we want it to move down the screen, and we also want to change the button's title to move instead, and no connecting because I've already connected it. So save interface builder and build and run, and here we go. And as I click move, it moves 5 pixels down the screen. Now we can change this 5 to whatever we want. You can have it 10 pixels and it will jump a bigger distance, or you can have it 0.5 and it will draw a really small distance. So there you go, guys. There's a quick image view tutorial just to teach you how you can make the user move the image rather than you making it fade out. So in the next tutorial I'll be teaching how to create buttons that will go left, right, up, down, so you can kind of create a little game where they can move the image up and down and sideways and stuff. So you can find that on an annotation here. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and to see my next video.